Children, now we see the term 3 chapters. Okay children, first chapter is time. Today we are going to discuss the chapter time. For our daily routine, we fix our time. Okay children, for example, morning wake up, going to school, doing your homework and bedtime. Isn't it? How do we know the timings? Yes, we use wall clock, sand clock, wristwatch, mobile phone, etc. See children, what is this? Yes, this is the clock. What is the time? Most clocks and watches have an hour hand and a minute hand. In our book, two hands only denote it. But another one hand is having a clock. What is that hand? Yes, that is second hand. The small hand is hour hand. Big hand is minute hand. Another one big hand is second hand. Is it clear children? Okay. The hour hand is shorter. The small hand. Okay. The small hand is short hand is hour hand. The big hand is minute hand. See children, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 24 hours equal to 1 day. In a clock, 12 numbers denote it. Okay children. 1 is measured in 5 minutes. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 minutes. 3 5s are 15. 15 minutes. 4 5s are 20. 20 minutes. 5 5s are 25. 25 minutes. 6 6 are 5 5s are 25. 25 minutes. 6 5s are 30. 30 minutes. 7 5s are 35 minutes. 8 5s are 40. 40 minutes. 9 5s are 45 minutes. 10 5s are 50 minutes. 11 5s are 55 minutes. 12 5s are 60 minutes or 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Okay. In a big hand, rotate one time. The time is 1 hour. 60 minutes. Is it clear children? Each one you multiply 5. That is the time. 1 means 5 minutes. 2 means 10 minutes. 3 means 15 minutes. 4 means 20 minutes. 5 means 25 minutes. 6 means 30 minutes. Okay children, is it clear to you? Okay. See the next one. Time in hours. When the minute hand is on 12, the time is in full hours. See this clock children. What is the time now you say? Yes, 3 o'clock. The small hand is in the number 3. The big hand is in the number 12. What is the time? Yes, 3 o'clock. The time is 3 or 3 o'clock. Next, time in quarter past. When the minute hand is on 3, the time is quarter past an hour. See the clock children. The small hand is in the number 2. The big hand is in the number 3. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15 minutes. How many hours? 2 hours. The time is 2 o'clock 15 minutes. The time is 2:15 or quarter past 2. Okay children. 15 minutes means quarter. Okay children. See the next one. Time in half hours. When the minute hand is on 6, The time is in half hours. See children, the small hand is in the number 3. The big hand is in the number 6. 6 5s are 30 minutes. The small hand is in 3 o'clock. The time is 3:30 or half past 3. Okay children. See the next one. Time in quarter 2. When the minute hand is on 9, the time is quarter to the next hour. The small hand is in 7. The big hand is in 9. 7. Small hand is in 7. 7 o'clock 45 minutes. The time is 7:45 or quarter to 8. Is it clear children? Do you know the difference for these clocks? Okay. Next. Let us see how the minute hand moves in an hour. See the first clock. What is the time now children? What is the time now? The small hand is in 6. The big hand is in 12. What is the time? 6 o'clock. Next. The big hand is moving one number. The big hand goes to the number 1. 1 means 5 minutes. So the time is 6 o'clock 5 minutes. 5 minutes past 6. Next. See children, what is the time now? 6 10. 2 5s are 10. 6 o'clock 10 minutes. 10 minutes past 6. Next. 6:15. See the next clock. The big hand is in 3. 6 o'clock 15 minutes. 15 minutes past 6 or quarter past 6. Next. See children. 6 o'clock 20 minutes. 20 minutes past 6. Next. The time is 6:25. 25 minutes past 6. Next children. 6. The two hands are is in the number 6. The hour hand is in 6 and minute hand also in 6. 6 or 6 5s are 30 minutes. 30 minutes past 6 or half past 6. Next children. 6:35. 7 5s are 35. 25 minutes to 7. Next. 8 5s are 40. So the time is 6:40. 20 minutes to 7. Next one. 9 5s are 45. So the time is 6:45. 15 minutes to 7 or quarter to 7. Next one. 6:50. 10 minutes to 7. Next. 6:55. 5 minutes to 7. Is it children? Is it clear children? How the minute hand moves in an hour? Are you okay children? Are you understand? Exercise some children. Write that time. See the first clock. Where is in small hand? 5. So 5 hours. Where is in big hand? 3. 3 5s are 15 minutes. Quarter past 5. See the second sum. What is the time? 2:35. 25 minutes to 3. Third sum. What is the time? 7:45. Quarter to 8. Fourth one. 8:55. 5 minutes to 9. Fifth sum. 11:30. Half past 11. Sixth one. 4:10. 10 minutes past 4. Next sum 12:45. Quarter to 1. Next sum children 7:40. 20 minutes to 8. Is it clear children? Next, draw hands to show the time. See children, first sum 7 o'clock. So the hour hand is in 7, big hand is in 12. Second sum 4:15. 4 hours. So you draw small hand is in 4, 15. How many 5s are 15? 3 5s are 15. So you draw the big hand is in the number 3. Third sum, what is the time? 6:45. You draw the small hand is in 6. Big hand is, how many 5s are 45? 9 5s are 45. So you draw a big hand in 9. See the fourth sum. What is the time? 5:20. 5 hours. So you draw the small hand is in 5. 20. How many 5s are 20? 4 5s are 20. So you draw a big hand is in the number 4. See the fifth sum children. What is the given time? 20 minutes to 5. So you draw 4 o'clock 40 minutes. Okay children. See the sixth sum. 30 minutes past 4. That is 4:30. So you draw small hand is in 4. Big hand is in the number 6. Next 5 minutes past 3. The small hand is in the number 3. Big hand is in the number 1. 1 5 is 5. See the last sum children. 15 minutes to 8. So the time is 7:45. You draw the small hand is in 7. Big hand is in 9. Is it clear children? Next, match the columns. What is the time? 10:45. Quarter to 11. Second one 10:15. Quarter past 10. Third one 7:20. 20 minutes past 7. 7:40. 20 minutes to 8. 9:30. Half past 9. Is it clear children? Okay children, we will meet the next class. Thank you.